Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I'm going to clean the inside of my 30-plus-year-old coolant reservoir. Run titles. Can I ask, if you are new here and like what you see, please consider subscribing by clicking on my face down there. Then ring my bell so that you will get notifications when there is more to see from Biker Stuff. I am sure you have got, had or just seen a reservoir that is so dirty inside you can't make out where the water level is. A bit like this one. I have seen several ways to clean these tanks. One using copious amounts of bleach, one using sulfamic acid, and a few using stones and washing up liquid. I'm going to try this calcium, lime and rust stain remover, otherwise known as CLR. It's not expensive. You can get a litre from Screwfix or Toolstation for about £7. I've measured this tank to be 800 ml, so there will be enough here to fill it up with some left over to clean the outside. I will be wearing gloves and safety glasses and working over this bowl. As you can see, I've made this support to allow me to take the cap off, as I'm not sure what damage this CLR might do to it. I've also taped over the outlet at the bottom, which should be enough to seal it. Enough talking, let's get on with it. That's all for today. I'll leave this overnight and see what it looks like in the morning. Good morning! I hope you slept well. Overnight, it seems the CLR did its job and softened the Gorilla Tape that I used to seal the end. And the tank emptied into the tub. Let me give it a rinse and a shake with some water and see how much cleaner it is. Follow me outside. It seems to have done a good job considering all I did was pour CLR in, leave it to stand and then rinse it out. I'm sure if I had put something like stones inside and shaken it, I'd have got more out, but I'm happy with it as it is. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff.